Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can change the phone number in Snapchat. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. So the first thing you need to do is to open Snapchat application. Once you do so, the next thing you need to do is to tap on your profile icon. Once you do that, the next thing you need to do is to tap on the gear setting icon, and here you will find under your birthday phone number. So once you tap on that one, and here as you can see my current phone number, if I want to change it, I will just erase this phone number. And from here, if you change country, suppose you went to another country and you want to update your phone there, so you can change the country code, and then you need to enter the new phone number. Suppose I enter the new phone number, I don't want to change it, but just for example. So then you need to tap on verify. Verify means that once you tap on verify, they will send you a code, a one-time password. You need to enter that one, and then your number will be changed on Snapchat. So make sure that you use an active phone number to change the phone number. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you again in the next video. Till then, take care.